English language conventions, verb tense, irregular past tense, ACT Foundations, question 111, Me Medicine, Antidote Your Ignorance. ACT English Foundation, verb tense, question 111. Complete the sentence with the verb in the past tense. Tom blank a silly hat to the parade. The task here is to shift the tense of wear to its simple past tense verb form. Here's what I need you to understand. Most verbs are regular in the past tense. That means you follow a rule like add ed or add d to get the past tense form of the verb. Some verbs are irregular in the past tense. That means you don't follow a rule. Instead, you must remember the past tense form of the verb. Check out this example. Jacob lost his keys. Lost is the irregular past tense form of the verb lose. This is a correct shift, and the overall sentence is formatted correctly. All right, back to the original question, now for the solution. Wore is the simple past tense verb form of wear. This is an irregular verb form because it doesn't end in D or ED, so you'll have to commit it to memory.